Hello everybody, my name is Albert and we are AutoStock. Before we start, I'd like to give a quick introduction to the team. So what is AutoStock? Well, AutoStock is a web-based platform designed to provide the tools of algo trading to people who are looking to take trading to the next level. So what is algo trading exactly? Well, it's a hands-off, instant, and purely objective way of using algorithms to trade for you. But the problem with it is that it has a very high barrier of entry, as you need to know how to implement different strategies, test to make sure it's effective, and knowledge of how to code and use different algo trading APIs. And because algo trading has such a high barrier of entry, our mission statement is to leverage technology to make algo trading more accessible to users who want to take investing to another level. So now it's time to actually create an algorithm. So first you would create a name for your algorithm as well as a stock ticker and a short description of your algorithm. Next, we will fill out the entries, so you would pick an indicator, comparator, as well as a second indicator to compare to, and an action. To those more advanced users, we have added an option to chain multiple entries. Once you're done creating an algorithm, you are able to interact with a chart of historical data of the current stock. Finally, you are able to backtest your algorithm. So if we test my algorithm here, we would have had a 4.65 increase in the last 2 years on GameStop. You are able to adjust the time period and retest your algorithm as well. Once you're done tinkering with your algorithm, you are able to save your algorithm for future uses. Here you can see a list of algorithms I've implemented, and if I click the edit button here, I'm able to make adjustments to my algorithm. We have also enabled a share feature to those of you who would like to observe or publicly share different types of algorithms. So if we go to this page and if you click on this algorithm here, you can see how this public user implemented their algorithm as well as some historical data on that current stock. As a trader, it's important to keep up to date with what's going on in the company, so we have also provided a way for the user to analyze certain stocks. If you click on the Analysis button on the Create Algorithms tab, you'll be provided with data such as quarterly revenues, recommendations, options calendars, share distributions, quarterly stock financials, stock splits, that will hopefully help you create a better strategy. Once you are done creating your strategy, it's time to test the limits of your algorithm. If you click on the Competitions tab, you will be provided a list of up-and-coming competitions as well as entered competitions. Here, if you click on that competition, you are given the specific details of the competition, as well as an interactive historical data chart and access to leaderboards. To submit a competition, you click on this drop-down giving you a list of your saved algorithms, and once you have selected an algorithm, you just click Submit. We have also included social features such as threads and discussions for people to discuss publicly about the nuances and crevice of that specific competition. After a competition has concluded, you may check out the leaderboards. Here you can see the top performing algorithms, and if they are public, you may view their strategy and hopefully pick up some knowledge from higher performing algorithms. That concludes a quick run through of all the main features of AutoStock. We hope you will try it out sometime. Now I will pass it over to Nick to discuss the tech stack.
The AutoStock tech stack leverages various JavaScript and Python libraries to deliver a feature-packed product. For our front end, React was used in combination with the Gatsby.js framework to deliver high-quality, static HTML and CSS to the user, while also avoiding any server-side rendering. AutoStock also uses Firebase for all user login, OAuth 2, and profile interactions. Feature-rich libraries like highcharts allow us to show detailed information about various stock data to our users, while components from the Material UI library allow us to easily style the website for a great user experience, both on web and mobile. AutoStock's backend consists of a Python API written using the Flask framework. Our API interacts with Yahoo Finance to get the latest market data in an easy-to-manipulate format. Using this data in combination with the Backtrader Python library, we can easily provide backtesting and trading strategies to our user base. Finally, all our data is stored in a NoSQL Firestore database. Deployment consists of using Gatsby's built-in build command to generate all static files required for the site, which is then wrapped in a Docker container along with all backend components and published on Google Cloud via Google Cloud Run. Our team organized and delegated all tasks using GitLab's built-in issues board. Each member would take an issue and generate a new labeled branch to work on. After the feature or issue had been resolved, the branch would be merged with main and then promptly removed. Our team completed over 127 issues over 16 weeks and had a total of 1,054 commits to the GitLab. In conclusion, we hope users of AutoStock will have a new, useful tool for trading in their arsenal. We provide many tools for both new and experienced users to practice algorithmically trading with no coding experience required, in a fun-to-use, gamified application. We would like to thank Professor Jim, Travis Martin, John Rieger, and the School of Computing for allowing us this opportunity and helping us along the way.